Hi everyone, and welcome to Automite. I'm going to show you how to clean this Breville coffee maker. It's an expensive coffee maker, but it's also a good coffee maker. And I'm going to show you how to clean the rotating metal disc that covers the grinder area. Now this video is not sponsored by any of the products that you see in this video, and we're not endorsing any of the products. So first you have to remember before you do anything, just unplug it from the wall. And we're gonna go ahead and open this cover for the grinder area. You want to twist this knob here counterclockwise to get this out. And we're gonna dump out all the coffee for now. Just in case, so it doesn't fall on the ground and everything just spills out. Okay. Let me close this. And we're gonna open this door, and this one, let's take out this piece here, and then we have to dump out the water. So water will come out of here, so you want to twist, you want to put it down from this side. We still have some coffee in there. I have to get that out. So I'm going to get rid of the remainder of the coffee that's inside with a vacuum cleaner. I'm not going to put any special tips on it or anything like that, just like this. Okay. And from the inside, there's this piece that needs to come out. Turn it clockwise to take it out. We're gonna put this on the side. There's still some coffee in there. And we're gonna get that out as well with the vacuum cleaner. Okay, and the next thing, let's open this and just get the water out of there. Oops, should have taken out that piece. Okay, now that the water is out, we can go ahead and remove that metal piece. Okay, so I've laid down this coffee maker. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this top, the cover, door or whatever. And I've cleaned this before. That's why this small plastic cap over the nut is missing. So I'm gonna show you how to remove it. You just use a razor because there's a gap in between this plastic base and the top cover. So you basically have to go onto the edge of the plastic base and then go up from there to grab onto it, the gap. So this razor has to go inside the gap between the cap and the base and just try to lift it up. It should pop right off. And you can put it back later. It's just for looks. It's not, anything necessary. I lost the one that I had before. So now this metal thing, the disc, needs to be cleaned from time to time. I think last time I did it was like a year ago. So probably about every year it needs to be cleaned because it becomes harder and harder for the machine to, turn the disc to open up this hole that's here for the coffee grinds to come in. So on the back of it, there's going to be a huge buildup of coffee grinds. So since there's not much space to work here, and there's not a lot of room to turn anything, and because the nut is inside this plastic thing, there's nowhere where you can really grab onto it, so you'd have to use something like this with, I think it's a needle nose plier with a clamp. So I'm gonna get the correct opening here to try to grab onto it. Hopefully you can see it there. So it has to be really, really, really tight here. Okay, so then we just turn it to open it. Okay, so this thing came out. You'll also have this base come out separately. Let's see how much stuff is under that thing. Be careful of this thing here. It's like a washer. It needs to go like this. You see the curvature? It needs to go like this on top of it. That's going to be on the bottom of the plastic base. So I'll go ahead and remove this. It should come out easily. Yeah. So you can see here it's all coffee grind stuck here. So this needs to be cleaned from time to time to make sure it functions properly. And then we'll also clean the bottom of this. We'll also clean this hole with the brush they gave to make sure it's, you know, open and there's nothing blocking the grinds from coming in for a smoother operation. Okay, now I'm gonna wash this disc. This is really stuck in there. Wow, these things stick so well to this metal disc. So I'm going to use the brush that they provided to get rid of as much of the blockage as possible. There's like a bunch of coffee grinds in there. Okay. And whatever is here also. And then from the other side, okay, this spinning wheel here, the grinder. And on the sides, okay, should be ready. Using a wet cloth or paper towel, we need to clean the inside. This area. Okay. Okay, so now that the disc is clean and ready, going to put it back. Don't forget this washer, spring washer or whatever it's called. The cap, plastic base actually, and that'll go here, and the nut will go over it. Hand tighten a bit, and then time for these pliers. Okay, now we can, you don't want to over tighten it, but okay, that's it. I don't need any more than that. Okay, it's clean, ready to go. Please help me out by liking the video, subscribing, sharing, whatever you can do. I really appreciate it, and thank you for watching.